Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I figured it was only right that we spend a little time on Thanksgiving cookies. This is actually the first of 3 videos we're going to be doing on these designs. We're going to be decorating each cookie you see here, taking it 2 at a time for each video. I absolutely love holiday designs and had so much fun with these. In this video, we're working on 2 different leaf designs. These are the easiest of all the designs. With this first cookie, we're going to be marbling together 3 different colors to create a cool effect. This is a perfect design for a beginner to start with because there isn't a lot of technique involved, but you still get a super cool effect once you're done. I used 3 colors, but you could use 2 or even 4 if you want. You just want to make sure that your icing is true flood consistency. This is thinner than what I normally use to flood. It's probably about 10-second consistency. Once your cookie is covered, you're going to use your scribe tool, or a toothpick would work too. And starting in the middle, you're going to drag your tool from the inside out. Keep doing this several times all around the cookie. Make sure you don't wipe off your tool between swipes because that's how you get specks of the red and the yellow. Do the same technique, except this time pull from the outside in. And again, don't wipe your tool so you get some of the yellow in the red. This will just add to the cool marbled effect. For this next design, begin by icing your cookie with white icing. Once it's completely dry, we're going to be airbrushing. If you don't have an airbrush though, don't worry, you can still do this design. You can use a product from Wilton called Color Mist. I used this for a long time before I got my airbrush and it works really well. I'll link it below in case you want to check it out. For this, you can use any fall colors you like and airbrush the cookie any way you like. Next, just draw in a branch design with brown icing. And that's it. These designs are super easy, and yet they have a bigger wow factor than a lot of other more complicated designs. Sometimes simple is really the way to go. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section, and if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell while you're at it. That'll make sure you get notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give it a like and share with friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.